Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Monday and I hope you all had a great weekend. Well, as you can see, we have an unbagging. That means we have a review. So let's find out where this is from and what is inside the bag. Well, we have cross stitch. See if I can get it out of here with little crinkle. We have 2 Joy Sunday kits, and these come from DPClubs. If they have any specials, or if I have a discount code, or they have a discount code, it'll be right in here and in my description box below. So let's start with the first one, get the other one out of my way. Well, this kit comes in a beautiful Joy Sunday bag. Let's see what is inside. I'm always kind of a little shy here. It's Joy Sunday. It's like, please, please don't be wet. All right. And it does have the instructions on the back, as we know. Hang on, I gotta lose my Coca-Cola there. I don't want to spill it because, you know, if it comes dry, let's keep it that way, right? All right. So we have Orchids in kind of a Zen-looking thing. And it was $6.99. It is 38 by 28. And I can't, Paleonopolis? I can't say that word. But what it means is moth orchid. And there are 70 species of those. I looked that up. I was like, okay. Yeah, but I thought it was quite pretty. I like all the pinks and the purples and the yellow and the stones. I love those kind of stones. They're so smooth, like river stones, I think. But very beautiful and not too horribly big. And it is separated into 4 sections. On this side, it's 170 by 117, 14 count. And we do have 2 sets of numbers. The tops, nope. No, we don't have 2 sets here. Hold on. There'll be a moment because Laura's crazy. All right, here are the keys, is the key for the paper pattern. This is for the canvas. So let's go to this one because I can always tell colors better. We have a total of, oh my goodness, how do they make things so complicated? 59 colors in total. You have 51 colors in full stitch. You have a quarter stitch, just 1 color. You have only 4 colors in back stitch. And then there are 18 colors in half cross stitch. So there's no French knots. Whoa. So most of this is half cross stitch. So that's like the background of the picture. I don't know if you can see. Do you see the symbols and how they have either a number or a letter and a line through it? Those are all half cross stitches. Yeah, that ought to be interesting. Let's see what colors we have before we delve any farther. We have 310 black. We have 814, which is a brick red. We have 823, which is a dark blue. And 939 is the darkest of blues. No, 3371. We have 3770, which is that butter color. And for whites, we're using 3865 and B5200. So you go from 1 to 50 in full cross stitch. And then some of those are even half cross. But when you get to 52, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, those are only in half cross stitch. So yeah, it's, I didn't think this picture was going to be this complicated, but yeah, I think it's beautiful though. Just gorgeous. Let's take a look at the threads. Get this out of the freeway just for a second. All right. So we have 2 thread cards. It comes on the good thread cards telling you how many strands you have, DMC number, and the thread card number. It does come with 2 needles. Let's take a look at all these pinks and purples and yellows. Couldn't see what I was doing. Just gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Just beautiful. And of course there's not too many of them, because there's a lot of colors here. My goodness gracious. Nice greens. Kind of a bright orange, huh? Bright, bright, bright orange. I like that rose color. That's very pretty. And over here we have a little darker colors. Those were all kind of pastel-ish. But we have the dark blues. There's that brick red I was telling you about. Pinks, gold, more greens. Lots of oranges and yellows in this. And, oh, a few purples. So, very pretty. Very, very pretty. I thought it was going to be really simplified, but no such luck on this one. Oh my goodness. It is full coverage. It is not a partial. And it has not been wet. Let me turn it right side up. So you got a lot going on here. This whole side right in here is all half cross stitch. And along the bottom. So, yeah. May have to use my, what do you call it? My paper pattern just to verify what's what. And the key runs along the bottom. I wouldn't say it was terribly small, but it's not terribly big either. So you have all your full stitch here. On this side, you have all of the half cross stitches. And on this side, I guess that's the rest of the full cross. What did I say though? Oh, my big quarter stitch. Not a clue. Yeah. And your back stitching. But very nicely done. It's nice and darkly printed. So it's not, you know, real faded. It is serged all the way around in typical Joy Sunday fashion. It is 38 centimeters or 15 inches. Not too big. That's a whole lot going on in a small area. 28.5 centimeters or 11.25 inches. The actual picture size is almost 8.5 inches or 21.5 centimeters by 30.5 centimeters or a little over 12 inches. So, very nice. And I will hold, I gotta get this rolled up or we'll have another catastrophe on our hands. But I'm thrilled sick. It was not wet. But very easy to see symbols until you get over into here, and then this is my gray area. Yeah, because those half cross stitch symbols sometimes are a little difficult to tell what's going on. It's going to be confetti. It's like, get over it and get on with it. Yeah. But not too bad. Not too bad. All right. Let's take a look at the next one. The next one is a little bit bigger. It was $11.79. And it's 46 by 51. Comes in the same Joy Sunday bag. And this is kind of a sampler, if you will. Kind of, sort of. You know, it's a partial. So, let's take a look. So, it's going to have some bigger areas. This is called Love Handmade. And you can barely see this. But it says Stitched Spring, Happy Spring. Your guess is as good as mine. But I liked it for all the sewing elements. I just thought it was kind of cute and whimsical. And look at the bumblebees. And we got flowers, and we got birds, like chickens. We even have, look, a ladybug. Yeah. And spools and needles and all that happy stuff we love. It does say Happy Spring up here, so yeah, I don't know. I might change out the lettering. It's not a, I don't know why they show that with a yellow background, because you do not, I don't believe, stitch that background. We're going to find out here. It'll be a mystery. So it does have a nice paper pattern. And very simple palette. We only have 16 colors. You have full stitch and back stitch. That's it. But yeah, you do not stitch that background. So I don't know why they showed it in yellow. And why they did those letters in white. If anybody knows, let me know. That might need to be changed out to maybe like the pink in her dress. I don't know. That poor planning on their part. But nice, easy to see symbols. And nice paper pattern. It looks like the back stitching is pretty straightforward. You just make lines for the flowers, a little bit up here, and some on that vine thing. I'm guessing it's a rose vine, a little down here. So nominal back stitching compared to what we just looked at. It is separated into 9 pages. It's 212 by 238. And I don't know, I'm still back on the wording. I don't get it. That's insane. It just, seriously, people. Because it does, okay, the material is not white. Let me see if I can just get a hold of this, just 2 seconds. It does have a little cream background, but not much. I mean, seriously, I don't know. Okay, moving on. Paper pattern will not match the canvas. Let's take a look at the colors. Now, it does have a lot of B5200. Why? I don't. Maybe it covers more. Even the petals on the flowers. So you might want to. I don't know. I don't know how well that white is going to show up on that cream background. Kind of strange. You have to work through this. Even her lace on her bottom. So I guess there's more white used than, but still. I don't know, if you had a lot of fortitude, you might want to back stitch that whole thing in some color. It's up to you. How's that? Okay, B5200 white. And we have lots of reds and pinks. We have 321 red, 310 black, 601, which is kind of a dark rose and a pink. Look at those greens. They're really springy greens, aren't they? Not sure what color that is. Like a dark seafoam green? So, yeah. So, it'll be up to you. I don't know. You may want to change as many colors as you want, because it's your picture. You can do with it as you like. Alright, so it goes up and down. Does have the product numbers and the name at the top. These are the 2 numbers that were on the front of the kit. And it does tell you how big it big it is here. But yeah, there's a lot of surface to be stitched. Just not real clear. And wherever you see that green, that I'll call it spring green, is all white. Oh no. Kind of perplexed here. Does have a nice big key though, running along the bottom. It has its own symbols. I don't know. I like the concept, but okay, moving on. That's all I'm going to say about it. It is serged all the way around. Ooh, if I could just move the thing. It is 51 centimeters or 20 inches. By 46 centimeters or 18¼ inches. The actual picture size is 38.5 centimeters or 15¼ inches by, keep hold of it, 43 centimeters or 17 inches. So, yeah, a lot of surface there. They could have made that, I don't know, I'm still back on it, sorry. They could have made the background fabric a little darker. You know, more antique, tiki color. Because I don't have much hope for that B5200. So, that'll be up to you. Sorry, I didn't mean to hit the camera. Now, that is all that I got. I'm just thrilled that they weren't wet. So, just take your blessings and keep on moving, right? That is all that I got from DPClubs. Thank you, DPClubs, for these two beautiful kits. And now, DPClubs has diamond painting cross stitch. Not sure if they have beaded cross stitch yet or not. They do always have a wide selection, great prices. I know they're having a Halloween special right now, so do check them out. Thank you for watching today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell, and that way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.